Drag me to death like a lit cigarette. Took my last breath like the smoke from my lips. I've lied for you and I liked it too, but my knees are bruised from kneeling to you. And now I'm laughing through my tears, I'm crying through my fear. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you. God knows I tried to be kind, but all just pain. Found a dime wearing a fake
Masaya lang talaga ako. Alam mo na, I'm so proud of you. Ang bait-bait mo talaga as in. Hindi ka marunong sumagot sa akin. Basta ituloy mo lang. Di ba, naman okay. Pag-usapan tayo. Tuloy mo lang. Sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo matupad. Basta tuloy mo lang yung kabaitan. Talaga sobrang proud ako sa iyo. Kung ano yung pinakita mo sa akin. Hindi ka talaga marunong sumagot.
We can all attest that she is indeed a beautiful person and she is given by God as a blessing.
Sabi dito sa Proverbs 16 verse 3, sabi niya, commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plan.
Ganda-ganda mo ngayong gabi. As you turn 18, I hope that the world will be kind to a lady with a beautiful heart.
Tuwang-tuwa kami sa iyo kasi napakabuti mong anak. Napakabait and we are proud of your achievements.
Go with the flow lang sa yung future mo. Nandito na kami.
Nika, I do want you to know that with your kindness, patience, and your amazing leadership, it made me look up to you a lot.
Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo.
Katapos ng pag-aaral.
I'm so proud of you, my Nini, and I love you for life.
I will always cherish the moments we spent together and always know na kahit life has taken us down different paths, I'll always be proud of watching you grow.
Thank you for constantly saving me, Nika. Remember that I'm always here for you.
Please don't let your fire that lights the cave up turn your own dreams into ashes.
Sana maging healthy and continue lang yung happiness mo na namimit mo sa buhay.
Stay humble, stay smart, and stay in school.
Wish ko na matupad mo yung pangarap mo na matawag din kita someday as my colleague.
Congratulations kasi I am very proud of what you are achieving today.
Ayun, wini-wish ko lang na sana mapagpatuloy pa natin kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin. Ayun lang, I'm excited to face more years with you. Yun lang. Yun lang, thank you. Happy birthday.
I love you so much and I'm always proud of you.
Proud ako sa'yo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hindi kasi 'di ba? Ang dami-daming tao sa mundo, pero naging kaibigan kita. Ang dami-daming tao sa mundo, pero naging kamag-anak ka nila. Ang dami-daming tao sa mundo, pero ikaw pa yung naging anak ni tita. And that itself, that is our biggest blessing. It's you. As you enter this new journey, I hope that you can reach your dreams with utmost contentment in your heart. I love you always and then always, and I'm very, very grateful that I met you in this lifetime.
I love you.